start again to make this ceiling hair all border. Dito pa lang yung natapos, dito wala pa. Ayan. Yung kagaya dito, oh. Yung kagaya dyan, yung mga border lang. Ganyan. Ayan, ganyan. So, inuna dito sa right side. And then, doon na sa likod. Ayan, si Papu the Great. Lagyan niya muna ng kahoy, tapos pako, tapos ganito. Yung, siya din yung gumawa niyan, yung dito, dati. Yung doon. And then siya din yung gumawa 2 to 3 days ago, yung naglagay ng kahoy dito, tapos yung ito yung jaller at saka yung yero. Tapos siya din ang gagawa nito, yung kisame ceiling. Next, dito na naman sa harapan, in front. And this is already finished. And also this back side. Ito yung sa likod. Ayan. So another project finish. Ayan. Yung kagaya din dito sa siya din yung gumawa dito noon. Yung mga borders, yung mga all sides. Yan, yan. 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 Hanggang doon. Yan. And then dito. Yan. After putting all this jaller, this is back side and this one and there in front, and already also roof complete. Ayan, so ito yung right side ng jaller. So ayan, may darating na ulan. So ito yung yung front side ng jaller. Ayan, complete already this roof. After completed this ceiling in all borders, this is front side and this is right side. Ayan. And this is back side. Ayan yung back side dito. Ayan. And then next he did is he fixed also what you call this faucet hair, because we make kitchen hair for summer kitchen. Ayan, we make kitchen hair for summer kasi more on nagluluto ako sa kahoy, so I need kitchen hair. Next he did is this one. Yan, ito yung lavatory dito sa veranda, because we make veranda hair or terrace. Ayan, kung saan dito. Ayan, hanggang doon sa wall na yan dito. Hanggang dyan. Ayan. So, next he did is this one. He make this, he fixed bulb hair, another kind of bulb. He make hair hole, and then he fixed this kind of bulb. First we put bulb hair, then he remove bulb hair. So after this one, he did hair also 2 bulbs hair in our room. Ayan. So try natin. Maganda yung ilaw pag gabi. Ayan. Oh, ayan. And then, dati yung dito noon. So, tinanggal yung dito bulb. And after that one, he make also this left side of veranda. Ayan. So, ayan. Yun. And then, he removed this bulb here because no need to use bulb here because there is already bulb here in right and left veranda.